Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. You have to understand something that after pandemic we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, this I have been telling you since my first video because that is where you have to understand this was the range when started going upside. Okay, and when started going upside it has created a pattern that is being formed continuously. Okay, and for the sixth time also it would have formed, but because of the war situation, okay, we have seen that it has not formed or didn't sustain this level. Otherwise we could have seen that it could have made a new high. Okay, so how the pattern is created, that see where it is going upside and forming a first, suppose this is the first high, it formed a swing, went to a second high, made a high, and after that there is a fall. Okay, and this fall is being repeated. See, it went for the third time, again a fall has come. It went for the fourth time, again a fall has come. Fifth time, and this could be the sixth time, but it didn't sustain. Okay, why I'm telling you this, because you should know how it has moved. I have to make you understand how the price of crude has moved, then you can see and analyze properly how a probability that it can go further upside or further down. Okay, this is the first thing. Now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen that $85.5 is a strong resistance, keep it in mind. Okay, and a level of around 77, this is a resistance. 85.5 is a resistance, at a level of around 68.5 is a resistance, strong resistance. As of now it has touched this was acting as a support. As of now, if the price fall below this level, this will act as a resistance. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, this is where from where we have seen a bounce back has come, and it is moved upside to a level of around 69, and from there it is now trading at a level of $68.91. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, 68.15, this is a support we can see. So a bounce back can come again if the price comes close to this level, but if it fall below a level of $68.15, it can go further down, and a probability that it can go towards 66.17 to a level of $64.40, and then further down the price didn't sustain that level also. Okay, so before we move ahead, you have to understand there is a continuous fall. Okay, and this continuous fall you will not see an upside till the time it is not forming a proper swing, or till the time it is not going above a level of 85. Okay, and 83 is a strong resistance as of in this zone. So once it goes above that level, a probability of touching 85.5 is there. Okay, so if it sustains that level, it can go further upside. Okay, so now if you look at this particular chart, suppose if this level didn't sustain, because overall trend is downside, you can see, so chances are high, suppose if this level didn't sustain, it can move further down towards a level of $67. Okay, and once started falling below this level, it can cross a level of $66.42. This $66.42 is already being a weak support, so chances of going further down will be there, and then we can see a level of $65.32. Okay, and if the price fall below $65.32, chances of going towards a level of 64 is there. Okay, so once it fall below $64, then we can see it can go towards a level of 63.41 to a level of $62.37. Okay, now once the price fall below $62.37, chances of going further down will be there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $61.35 to a level of around $59.75. $61.35 to a level of $59.75, and if it fall below that particular level, it can go towards a level of $57.61. From there we can see it can touch a level of $54.28. Okay, $57.21 to a level of $54.28. And okay, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it can go further down. But if it form a swing at this particular level, what you can see, suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, it can go towards a level of $70.29. Okay, and if that level also sustain, it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $73.11. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if this level sustain, it can go towards a level of $70.29, and from there we can see a level of 71.67. okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone, and a probability that it can cross a level of around $73.75, which is already being tested here. So chances of very high, it can cross a level of $74.5. $74.5 is already being tested here. So chances are high, it can touch a level of around $76.57 to a level of 77.8. Okay, I repeat that once it move above a level of $76.8, then this is the resistance. So once it sustain this level, chances are very high, it can cross a level of around $77.5, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 79.41. If the price move above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability that it can touch a level of around $82.08, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 85.40, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances of going further upside is there. Okay, so once the price move above 85.5, then you can see it can, a probability of touching $90 can be there. Okay, if the price move above a level of 85.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Understand, if you are in profit, try to save that profit. Okay, suppose if you are in 100%, whatever your profit is, 1,000, 10,000, okay, 100,000. So once this 100% your profit draw down to 70%, exit the trades for the day and relax for that particular day. Okay, and set a limit for a particular day, week and month, so that your capital can be saved. Okay, and set a limit so that you should not be worried to recover that amount. Okay, I teach how to manage your strategies, how much to set a limit. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.